This is a low hallway. I'm going to show you how to cut a line on the ceiling with no acoustic, with this orange peel texture on the wall and on the ceiling. So what I like to do is take my 5-way, my hide 5-way, and I scribe a line. If you can see that, it looks just like a pencil line. You can even do that with a pencil, I guess. I just, by habit, I use my knife. Anyways, then I get the material on. Get the material on the wall, then I take it in and cover the line. Just go right over the line, and that way there, it's perfectly straight. Again, it takes a little practice, but once you get it, you got it. It's interesting because, again, you just cover that line and you have a perfect straight line on any ceiling. I'm going to show you how to cut in the brush to the ceiling line. I'm trying to stay out of the way of the camera. I know on TV they show you to take a brush and do like so, but no, don't do that. You take the brush at an angle on its side, and there's a jiggle routine that you do. I'm jiggling the brush to get it up behind the acoustic, so it doesn't touch the acoustic. Then after I get it on, then I brush it out. And that's when you can do this, after you get it on. Anyway, you go along, put the material on, then you jiggle the brush up behind the acoustic. Over here, same thing, material on. Jiggle the brush up behind the acoustic, make it nice and solid. Above the door jamb. That's how you cut in.